with the sound D? Yes or no? Yes. Mad ends with the sound D in circle. Hold the paper in circle. In circle. Hold the paper. Okay, good job. Next, not yet. Bed. B. E. D. Does it end with the sound D? Yes or no? Yes, in circle, bed. Okay, how about this? Rat. R. A. T. T. R. A. T. Does it end with the sound D? Yes or no? Ooh, t, t. This is D, D. Does it end with the sound D? No, because the sound is T. Do not encircle. Okay, next is one. Hold the paper. What is this? Sad. Okay. S. A. D. S. A. D. Sad. Does it end with the sound D? Yes or no? Yes. Sound ends with the sound D. Okay, in circle. Good job. How about the last one? M. At. Mat. Does it end with the sound D? D. T. D. T. Does it end with the sound D? Yes or no? No. Are you going to encircle? No. Good job. Okay, what is your name again? We'll put it here.